Deep AI Text Generator. We live in a world where content is everything: blogs, ads, videos, even music. But creating it all takes time. That's where Deep AI Text Generator comes in. Part of the powerful Deep AI platform, this tool uses advanced language models to turn your prompts into human-like text, whether it's articles, stories, scripts, or marketing copy. Just type what you need, and in seconds, Deep AI delivers. For writers, it means instant drafts and brainstorming ideas. For marketers, it means catchy product descriptions, blogs, and social posts at scale. For developers, it even helps generate code and conversational chatbot scripts. But Deep AI goes beyond words. With text summarization and sentiment analysis, it can digest huge blocks of text, extract key points, or evaluate tone. And if you upgrade to Genius mode, you unlock even more accurate and fluid writing, similar to ChatGPT-style dialogue. What makes Deep AI unique is its creative ecosystem. The platform doesn't stop at text. It also offers AI video and music generation, plus text-to-video tools that bring your written scenes to life with short animated clips. And with text-to-speech conversion, your writing instantly becomes natural-sounding audio, perfect for accessibility or voice apps. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, developer, or researcher, Deep AI gives you one place to write, summarize, analyze, and even create multimedia from scratch.